Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how can you integrate Mailchimp application in your GHL. For this, first of all, go to the GHL agency and from the menu click on the Level Up Marketplace. After clicking on this, search for Mailchimp like that. Click on install. If you want to install it on all the locations, then click on the agency, and if you want to install it on specific location, then you will select the location from there and it will install on the specific location. So I want to install it on all the locations, so I will click on the agency. After clicking that, I will check both and then click on proceed. So it will install this application on all the locations. So after installing this, I will switch my account to any location. So in that case, I will open the family location, and here I search for Mailchimp, and for configure it, I will click on configure. So this key come because I will configure it before. So I will tell you where you can this get this API key. So for this, you will first create an account on Mailchimp. After creating the account, you will click on the profile. After click on the profile, I will click on extra and API key. So for API key, here is an option to create a key. I will click on it, and here I will give a name and generate key. After generating the key, I will copy the key on clipboard and paste it there and submit. So the app is configured successfully.